All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Now we have some breaking news just into CNN. The U.S. Supreme Court has just ruled on whether the state of Texas can enforce its controversy.
In a significant development, the U.S. Supreme Court recently ruled on Texas' controversial law permitting the arrest and deportation of migrants crossing the U.S.-Mexico border unlawfully. This decision has sparked widespread discussion and raised pertinent questions about immigration policies. Let's delve deeper into this issue to understand its implications. This March, the Supreme Court of U.S. declined to intervene in Texas' implementation of a law that empowers state law enforcement to take action against individuals suspected of illegal border crossings. This decision came amidst a legal clash between the Biden administration and Texas, underscoring the complexities surrounding immigration law enforcement. Last December, Texas Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 4, SB 4, into law, granting local law enforcement authority typically reserved for federal agencies. This move was driven by concerns over perceived gaps in federal immigration enforcement, particularly under the Biden administration's leadership. The Biden administration swiftly challenged the constitutionality of the Texas law, contending that it undermines federal authority and disrupts established immigration regulations. However, the Supreme Court's decision not to block the law's enforcement provides Texas with the green light to proceed with its measures, marking a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal dispute. Under SB 4, illegal entry or re-entry into Texas is categorized as a state crime, carrying penalties ranging from 180 days in jail to 20 years of imprisonment. Additionally, migrants apprehended under this law may face mandatory deportation to Mexico, escalating the consequences of unauthorized border crossings. Despite initial legal setbacks, including a district court's block on the law's enforcement, the Fifth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals intervened, paving the way for its implementation. The Supreme Court's decision to refrain from interfering with this ruling reflects the nuanced legal arguments and jurisdictional complexities at play. Mexico has refused to accept any migrants deported by Texas under the new law. The Biden administration has challenged SB 4, calling it unconstitutional. The Mexican Foreign Ministry said in a statement on Tuesday, Mexico categorically rejects any measure that allows state or local authorities to exercise immigration control and to arrest and return nationals or foreigners to Mexican territory. SB 4 would end up creating hostile environments in which the migrant community is exposed to expressions of hate, discrimination, and racial profiling. Mexican officials have previously criticized SB 4 as anti-immigrant and warned it would complicate relations with the U.S., an argument echoed by the U.S. Department of Justice. The ministry said Mexico would join the legal effort by U.S. President Joe Biden's government to block SB 4. Amidst heightened border security concerns, public opinion on immigration policies has become a focal point of political discourse. Recent exit polls and surveys highlight widespread apprehension among voters, shaping political narratives and influencing public perception of the Biden administration's handling of immigration issues. The Supreme Court's decision regarding Texas immigration law represents a pivotal moment in the ongoing debate over immigration policies. As legal battles persist and political tensions simmer, the ramifications of this ruling extend far beyond the courtroom, shaping national discourse and policy agendas.